A tiny change. A big life. Once there was a young man named Ali. Ali lived in a small village. He was kind, but he had one problem. He was very lazy. He woke up late every day, did not clean his room, and never worked hard. Ali wanted to change his life, but he always said, "I will do it tomorrow." One day, an old traveler came to Ali's village. The traveler was wise and loved to help people. Ali met him at the market and told him, "I want to be better, but I don't know how. I feel stuck." The traveler smiled. "Ali," he said, "you don't need to make big changes. You only need to take small steps every day. Let me teach you about the power of small habits." Ali was curious. Small habits? What does that mean? The traveler explained. Imagine you want to grow a tree. You don't throw a giant tree in the ground, right? You plant a tiny seed. Every day, you water it. The seed grows slowly, but one day it becomes a big tree. Your habits are like seeds. Small changes today can grow into big results tomorrow. Ali thought for a moment and asked, "What small change can I make today?" The traveler said, "Start with one thing. Clean your room for 5 minutes today. Tomorrow, do it again. After that, add something else like waking up early. Over time, these tiny changes will change your life." The first day, A went home and cleaned a small corner of his room. It only took 5 minutes. He felt proud. "This is easy," he said. The next week, Ali continued cleaning a little every day. After 1 week, his room was clean and organized. He felt happier. He decided to add another habit, waking up 15 minutes earlier. The next month, Ali single quotes as small habits started growing. He began reading books for 10 minutes every day. He started exercising for 5 minutes. He stopped eating unhealthy snacks. Ali's family noticed the changes. His mother said, "Ali, you are so different now. You are more responsible." His friends said, "Ali, you are working so hard. How do you do it?" Ali smiled and said, "I take small steps every day. I am planting good seeds." 1 year later, 1 year passed and Ali's life was completely different. He woke up early, worked hard, and was learning new things every day. He felt confident and proud of himself. The traveler returned to the village. Ali ran to him and said, "Thank you. Your advice changed my life. I took small steps and now I feel like a new person." The traveler smiled. Remember, Ali, big results come from small habits. Keep growing every day, one tiny step at a time. And so, Ali continued his journey, planting seeds of good habits and watching them grow into a beautiful life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel